So, at my job, we've got this material called corrugated plastic, which is just like a corrugated cardboard but made of plastic, and it's 3 millimeters thick. And I thought I'd experiment with it and try to make some simple guns out of it. Let's try and see how it works out. Okay, not that bad, but not that good either. Again, this was just a test, just to experiment with this material. Please let me know in the comments below other ideas of what I should make with it, or how do you think I should work with it. This is pretty lightweight, it's 100% plastic. You can get it all wet, you can wash it underwater. Maybe we should paint it, we should find a way to hide all these corrugations on the edges. Super glue doesn't work too well on it, it doesn't stick too well on these edges, so maybe we should try to find a better solution. This turned out pretty okay for a first test. So, let me know in the comments below what else I should try to make with it. A quick update on it. So I tried to draw some details on it using a Sharpie, just like I did with this other simple cardboard version. I actually used the same templates as I did on that one. So what do you think? Which one do you prefer, with the drawings or plain white? Let me know in the comments below, and thank you for watching.